Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So here this video I'm going to discuss about the strategy which I have discussed on my previous video regarding 3 bar reversal. We find out some stocks, almost 3 stocks like Wipro, NMDC and Lalpath Lab, which we are finding out on 52-week low. So the 3 bar reversal can happen at any point of the time. If the reversal which is happening at the very lowest level, how does the stock is performed? That I am going to discuss in this video. So how many of them are following? I was thankful to you all. So because it gives you such a great engagement and to do the videos regular basis, but I can't able to do the video by yesterday because of a lot of meetings, and that was working very good and well on the 3 bar reversal. So the main importance while we are using the scanners and screeners, so we have some conditions. So if that condition meets at any stocks, that can be scanned by the scanners. That is the help of starting scanner of finding out such a kind of stocks. So once we find out such a kind of stock, we may be plan for a trade, whether it may be an intraday or it may be a positional trade. It's depend on your trading capital, your trading style and your idea. But here we are using the scanners and screeners to filter out the stock. Right, that is what a main idea. So I have some conditions, I have some criteria, I have created some scanners. But someone who asking about the scanners you can create for your own, which one is working good, like that they are asking you. But I'm telling you again, the scan, so you know even better than me, you know some conditions it better than me. So if you know, if you share your conditions, I can create you the scanners with the small charges based on the complexity of the scanner. I can charge you. But someone who contacted me and asked them to, you can give me a better scanner. So I am whatever the better scanners which I have used ever, everything which I have shared free of cost in my Telegram channel. But even if you are going to give me some scanners to create, but I'm not going to reveal. So that scanners is yours, that idea is yours. Okay. So that I am going to tell you in this video, because so many messages asking about the scanners you can create, which one is best. So as per my view, all the scanners is my which I created is my best, because of that's only they are best, that only I have created a scanner. All the scanners will not work every day. Some scanners will work for each and every day. So we have to find out according to the market condition, because the market is not same for all the day, it is entirely different. So for example, today we have a and last week also we conducted some classes about intraday option scalping class. Today daily it is working very good and well. So each and every client who made a profit, those who have already attended my classes, they are making profit and they are sharing my screenshots. Right, so that is, it's based on the market. Today as per my intraday option class, today we got RBL Bank. It's a good profit in both call and put side, and India Bull Housing Finance is generative more than 5,000 to 8,000 profit in intraday, and VEDL that is giving you more than 10,000 rupees in intraday. But as per my class, what I say, to make 2000 to 3000 2000 to 5000 rupees to plan to earn on an intraday basis by stock option, that I am recommending that course. Right, so here 3 bar reversal is another course which I have already, but I'm not going to share you the scanners, because I'm also trying to earn some money from the market and also from through market. So I'm selling some products like scanners and screeners. So this 3 bar scanner is what one of the class which I have conducted earlier. So that was working good. So someone who are not concentrate on the scanners, but if you focus on the scanners, that's why I make a video by yesterday, and after 2 days later I made a video how it performed. This video is mainly about how the stock is performed. Let me go to check the stocks. And after that I have the scanners, but I'm not going to show you the scanners right now. But this is a bullish scan. But recently we have some three stocks. There was NMDC, and this is what another scan is, Wipro, NMDC, and the next one is Lal Path Lab. These are the stocks which you have scanned, right? So this is what another scan which I taken for. Now I will show you the exact scanner. What are the stocks we can filter out from that particular scanners? That is a it was a bullish scan which I'm focusing for. And a few days back, that was 2 days back, I mentioned a video about Wipro, NMDC, and Lal Path Lab, which forms a 3-bar reversal. It is happening nearby 52 weeks low. So when the stock forms any reversal pattern at 52 weeks low, it's for a good investment. We are planning for an investment kind of trade, but we can plan for intraday or even positional also. But we are nearing to the expiry if the positional trades on that particular stock may not be suitable. But long-term investment, which may be possible to do by based on that patterns and scanners and screeners. That I'm explaining you. Wipro, NMDC, Lal Path. 2 days back I was mentioning this stock. It may go up. So one is Lal Path Lab. So where we are planning our entry is around 2075. So that before the next day we marked this level. Tomorrow if the stock is giving you the opportunity to take a trade on a long side, it was a possible long side. So we are expecting bullish. So the high price is 2225 when it forms a 3-bar reversal. So what we are expecting when it forms a 3-bar reversal, there we are focusing for a buy. It is not for intraday because it is a daily chart. Someone who made a mistake on this, because I made a video, so that's why I'm recording this video now. It was forming a 3-bar reversal. It is on daily basis. Let's see how many days it is keep on going down. More than 6-7 days. It's daily. It is losing its value. The share price is losing its value by daily. But how we can think about it will increase in a single day? It may take some time. How many days it take a time to down, and same like that it may take some times to up. But what is my view? I'm thinking that when the stock is crossing above this level around 2025 should be my bullish entry. That point is my, if the stock cross 2025, that is my buy entry. And I am keeping the low as a stop loss. This was my stop loss, and already we discussed about how many points it is stop loss, and now the market is reaching nearby 2100. So almost 75 points it is increased. And how many stop loss which I taken for the trade from 2025, the low of the trade is 1958, almost 75 point which I'm taken the risk here. If it is triggers my stop loss, I'm going to lose almost 75 points. But there is a conditions. 75 point is my stop loss that I have know already. So if the 75 stop loss is suitable for me, I can go for the trade. If it is not suitable to go for, just avoid the trade. And once it is broken 2025 by yesterday, and yesterday itself it reaching the peak of 2098, and today it made 2108. So where I took the risk of 75 points. So someone who do the trades, I was making profit using this video. I was congratulate you all those who are making the profits. From 75 points I took a risk, and it generated you more than 75 points as a profit. So if you're playing with 1:1 risk reward ratio, the target is achieved on this stock. But it taken 2 days. It's not about intraday which I'm shared. It is a positional trade. I'm using the daily chart which is generating me a profit. That was happening. So it was a targetable trade. I hope you understand. So those who are learning from this was another condition. So when 3-bar forms, we use the high and low as a breakout and with a stop loss. It is happening at a lowest level of the month, or lowest level of the week, or lowest level of any 52 weeks. So there will be a best and better opportunity to make a trade. And the second stock which we are given you, NMDC. The NMDC which we are given, the entry is around this level. And my entry is 103.5 and my stop loss is 99.6, almost 3 rupees. When yesterday it triggers the entry and it moves to 104.7, and even it moves 105.6 today. and end up that it is closed by 103 point. So even this trade also will be a profitable trade, and ending with a small profit. We have taken positional trade by yesterday, and now it is around 50 paisa profit. This is about I'm going to discuss about on the 3 bar reversal which is happening. So we are not focusing daily, weekly, monthly levels to find out a 3 bar reversal. That is happening if each and every day we find out stocks. But if I'm focusing it out today, I am not getting any stocks. And after last we got the stock is on 18th. After that we don't get any stocks. But here you can see lot of stocks will is forming a such a pattern on based on 3 bar. But right now today and yesterday and today we didn't get any stocks. No problem at all. Whenever the stock forms on this pattern, I'm going to take a trade. And this one Wipro, another one. So what was the trade which is given me? Entry is 400, 5.7, and today it made 417. Almost 12 point it increased, and I'm taking the stop loss of almost 14 point, nearby 1:1, but still it is having the trade. Still it's in trade. I'm taking a 14 point risk, and it made a 12 point profit today, positive, but comparing to high by closing it is around 7 rupees plus. If I'm taking yesterday and today is positive, but I don't know whether today market is to start up with the 200 point positive or not. But while I'm planning this trade, there is a ability to move upwards because of the 3 bar reversal pattern. You are asking about the 3 bar reversal pattern. So I have the course which I have recorded. So if you want, you can take it the 3 bar reversal course also. Here I'm not having time to take a live market, but I'm planning it. So in next month onwards, you will be getting daily classes also live market. So this thing that I'm going to discuss, what the 3 stock which I'm taken for yesterday, it is around 3.5% positive and 0.1% and 1.5%. It's a positive from we planned before the trade it happens or before the breakout it happens. So based on 3 bar reversal, that is what the stock which is performed very well, and based on the 3 bar reversal. And I hope I cleared your doubt and questions on this video. Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much.